So everybody, as you can see, everybody's doing really good. Red's being a really good dad. Mucka's being the best aunt that a dog could be. Helping out Ahsoka and all her cleaning duties and whatnot. Being a real good baby. Everybody's doing really, really good. We're pretty much sure that Kiwi is now pregnant. She's actually eating some food right now, but she definitely is showing some signs. A little bit of discharge and, you know, common things that you would see. So we're excited about that. Look at these little boogers. Trying to get my sock. Oh, there she is. What have you been doing? So like I was saying, we're pretty sure she's pregnant. Look at Red playing with his babies. I love that. Playing with his little girl. That's Stella. And this little guy, he's still waiting on a home. And this is Slinky. Sorry, video. That's Slinky. And that is Frankie. Everybody's super active and playful. And they're just doing really, really good. And that's, like I said, everybody, that's their dad. He's goofy. He's real chillax, but he loves his babies. And Ahsoka's super nice. They're guaranteed to be very, very loving. Very loving dogs. It was interesting. I had researched, you know, some of the things about dogs, and one of the things that came up was when there's, you know, at least more than three, or excuse me, there's at least 3 dogs. It is considered a pack, and you know, we got 5, you know, adults here now. We're still waiting on a lady to have her first heat, but everyone else has, and there's a pack mentality that they start to have, and they want to take care of everybody, you know, whether it's new puppies or just each other. Now they're just looking out for each other. It's really nice to see stuff like that. Play with Mama now. Give us some milk real quick. Wait, Mama. But they are on puppy mash. Come Thursday will be 6 weeks. I'm gonna slowly start to give. It's still gonna be like wet food or wet kibble, but it will be. I won't mush it up. I'll let them start to get a feel for that texture, and so hopefully on the 8th week they're on, you know, basically dry kibble. So that's the goal. Hey, little boy. What do you do? What do you do? Hey, what do you do? No, buddy. That's okay. But thanks so much also to support. We've reached over 100 subscribers, which is awesome. Please like and subscribe on my videos. And please follow the adventure, because we'll have more and more puppy videos. Get him, Slinky. Get him, Stella. There's Ahsoka. And just so everybody knows too, you know, we definitely want to be as humane as possible with all this. So like for Ahsoka, that was her first litter ever. So for her next heat, well, no, we're going to skip it. Definitely want to give her a break. And probably end up doing that for everybody. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for coming on my video. There's Mocha, lady with the banana, Red, and Kiwi was down there eating food. We appreciate y'all, and we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.